The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm outflow winds were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Put-in Bay to Genoa, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Fremont, Western Vermilion, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Bellevue, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Genoa, Woodville, Elmore, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Castalia, Ballville, Catawba Island, Millbury, Marblehead, and Berlin Heights. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.